And sorry, I just missed to mention the Boolean intersection, which is one that I hardly use, but I'm pretty sure that there will be functions for it later on. So let's say that I want to get the anatomy between two objects or the geometry between two objects. Okay, so I will have here in this case, just as an example, I will have these two objects intersecting each other. Okay, so I will use the Boolean intersection, and I will use first the left maxillary central incisor, and I will Boolean intersect it with the right maxillary central incisor. So I'll just apply this intersection, and the result will be the exact anatomy of the intersection between these two objects. So that's the whole idea of the booleans. Thank you. Bye bye.